There's a few things that help us get more distance. First thing you need to do is maximize the arc. The arc is the outer perimeter which the club head travels. Number two, it's the pace that you transfer weight. Those two elements will give you your distance, whatever that is. This device here is called Trackman. Trackman is the newest thing in learning golf. This is a radar with a high-speed camera. It combines video and data, which gives us kind of an x-ray of what's going on when you hit a golf ball. So I'm going to demonstrate in a few seconds what Trackman does and show you how to get more distance with Trackman in our indoor winter golf school. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate hitting a golf shot and showing you the results on Trackman to give you a better idea of what Trackman does and how we can increase our distance. So I'll just make one basic swing with a 7-iron. Let's go take a look and see what Trackman shows us. Okay, here's a picture of my computer screen. You'll see my swing. I'll just play the video so you can see what it looked like. All right, important is a couple of other issues. You'll notice that my club head speed with that club is about 74.8 miles an hour. The ball speed I generated from that was 95.4 miles an hour. Launch angle, that's the angle of the ball going up off the ground, was 15.7 degrees. And the dynamic loft is 21.2, which I'm going to talk about in a second. And finally, you see my total distance, which is 138 with that 7-iron. Now, a typical 7-iron, its natural loft is 34 degrees. Its dynamic loft is the angle the club faces at impact. So if I want to get more distance, I have to learn to de-loft the club a little bit better. I'm going to hit another shot. I'm going to keep the screen, the video showing on the computer screen so you can see how it's made a difference. Okay, so let's watch the computer now. You notice that my club head speed went up just a little bit, my ball speed went way up, my launch angle came down, my dynamic loft went down, I hit it 156 yards. This is a real quick example of how you can get more distance, not by swinging harder, by simply changing the angle of the club and how you deliver the club through the ball. This is just one of the many elements that Trackman has to offer. So let's take a look at the swing. Okay, that was the one I just made. Now over here I'll play the one I hit just before that. So you see my club head speed just went up a little bit, 3 miles an hour, but my ball speed went way up. Launch went down on my second shot that I hit, and my distance on the first shot was only 138. If you were to play this, you're not going to see a big difference in the actual golf swing. There's the first swing I made. Here's the second swing. Not a big difference, but about 20 yards more difference in distance.